Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get and install Amazon Prime application on your Amazon tablet without the App Store. So I have a problem with my account and my App Store, so I'm going to show you how you can do it without this application. So in the first step, we have to open the web browser, then look for the APK Pure application in the Google and download the APK Pure launcher. You can see I have did it before, so we can go to the APK Pure app, and now we have to look for the Amazon Prime. Okay, there is the Amazon Prime video, so just tap on the install. Okay, we are completed, so we can tap on the install and whole process starting automatically. We need to allow our permissions to install the applications. And click install. And you can see we have a pop-up that we cannot install this application because we have the Prime Video in the default state of the device, but you don't have this application, you can install it by this way. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.